Hello everyone. I decided to do this video series on the Saga FLX repairs since when I needed the information I searched in YouTube, only found in Bahasa Melayu. This Saga is quite popular for international since it's quite affordable and they need the guidance in English, so I decided to do this video series on the repair of my Saga FLX. So the first issue that I will be showing today is the Aircon fan or blower controller not working. You have this 4 speeds fan. When you put on number 1, number 2, number 3, there is no response. But when you put in number 4, the blower suddenly starts in full power. So this means that the fuse in the resistor controller is melted and you probably need to buy a new resistor. So I already did that. This is the resistor. So this Saga controls 3 speeds using resistor coils. So first coil, second coil, and third coil. Each one will change the voltage. So the blower is 180 watt DC. When you put in 4th speed, it bypasses these coils and run direct connection full power. But when you need lower speed, you pass through the resistor, so you drop the voltage gradually. So you change the speed. This is not efficient way, but it is the most reliable. So old cars usually opt for more reliability even by sacrificing the efficiency, while newer cars would do electronic control. It is more efficient, of course, but it is less reliable. But this one can easily last for 20 years, no problem. The only issue is that it has a small soldering wire. You can see here, it melts when the blower jam to draw a lot of current and melt this fuse, so it disconnects. So what I did here is just I bended the main copper lead, the connector here in the center, until it touch this soldering bar, so it is working. But now this is risky because it doesn't have the fuse anymore. So this could be temporary solution. If you are in a highway, you cannot open the window, you need fast fix, you can just take a screwdriver and bend like I did here the copper. You can see here inside, this is the lead and in front of it is the copper, and I bended it forward so they touch each other, so it runs. But if there is high ampere, it will not cut. Probably the main fuse of the blower under the boot will blow. So I will show how to change this resistor. It has a mesh. I already removed the mesh, so it has a protective mesh because this one gets very hot and it is placed in front of the blower outlet. So when you want to open this one, you need to open the glove box. Then you need to push from the sides, then pull out the glove box, take it out of the way. This is the switch, this is your blower, and this is the outlet of the blower, and this is bypass cooling back to the motor to cool down the motor from the outlet to the motor. And this is the resistor switch. So let me go a bit closer. You can see here, this is the switch. It has 2 Phillips screws you need to open, and you have this plug you need to unplug. Okay, I already replaced the controller before. I will just open it now and show you how the new resistor controller looks like, then put it back, then test. So we open the 2 screws. Okay, so this is the resistor switch, the new one with the mesh. It has gasket here to prevent leakage since it's in the outlet of the blower in the high pressure. So let's put it back and then test. Okay, so you need to tighten a bit to prevent leakage. Okay, let's test it. This is speed 1. This is speed 2. This is speed 3. And speed 4. Yeah, it's working okay. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, bye.